Ladies and gentlemen, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I say that because many people are tuning in from all over the world to this remarkable moment at the beginning of 2023 World Climate Action Summit, United Arab Emirates.
Food systems are at the nexus of nutrition, improving livelihoods, and climate change. And that's what makes this sector so complex, yet also full of opportunities.
The issue of agriculture and food is coming into the center of action on climate and nature.
This truly is a historic moment for food systems and will really raise the profile of agriculture and climate in all these respective countries.
Farmers are the custodians of the land and the water. They're sentinels for change in weather and nature.
I'm here to speak to you about 3 things that we need to do. Number 1, I'm here to speak to you to make sure that agriculture remains on track. The negotiations on agriculture should remain on track. We need to make sure that adaptation remains prominent in the outcome of COP28. Number 2, I'm here to speak to you to make sure that there is a fund that is created for smallholder farmers to address the farmers' plight. And finally, commitments have to be kept. Let's build public-private producer partnerships. Let's invite farmers as equal partners on the table.
My team and I have been working alongside all of you these past months to put together a leaders' declaration. This leaders' declaration on agriculture and food systems is there to help galvanize the political will needed from countries across the globe to transform our food systems in the face of climate change. I am pleased to announce, drum rolling, that the COP28 UAE declaration on sustainable agriculture, resilient food systems, and climate action has so far received 134 endorsements. The Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, together with the United Arab Emirates, will fund a total sum of $200 million of new investments.
The United States is pledging an additional $50 million on top of the $100 million that we announced in July.
But here in agriculture, which is so important, we really owe it to the poor farmers to give them better tools.
With these countries, by the way, we cover more than 5.7 billion people and 70% of all food we eat. The signatories of the declaration are home to nearly 500 million farmers and represent 75% of all emissions from global food systems.
For all the crops, not just the main cereal crops, we can make them far more productive and far more climate resilient. If we're able to raise for CG over the next 3 years, the $4 billion, which ideally they would get, they'll be able to improve the lives of over 500 million farmers.
We need to transform this vicious cycle with food systems negatively impacting climate change and habitat loss.
I think we'll look back on today as a real milestone towards accelerating this adaptation innovation.
We look forward to working with each and every one of you.